Anna's birthday party! Kasi set up na po dito. Good morning sa inyo lahat. Kami dalawa ni Anna, hindi pa kami nakaligo. Andito na po yung mag-cater, nagsiset up na sila. Yan na sila sa labas. Talagang timing na timing tong canopy na na pinagawa ko before we come. So, kasi last minute na yung nag-decide kami na dito na lang talaga sa bahay hold yung yung birthday party with the family kasi may party si Anna sa Jollibee mamaya. So, like I mentioned sa previous vlog, dalawa po ang party ni Anna mamaya. First, for the kids sa sa Jollibee. And then, the second one, yung dito for dinner with the family. Yarn. So exciting!
Ja, wat een leuk, Anna.
Yeah, it's Anna's first time. Excited to masyado tong batang to. Kahit nakapanty lang, labas, oy.
Die gaat al weg. Die kap.
Wow.
De auto wordt.
Ja.
Nee. Excited po kaming lahat kasi first time ni Anna makatry ng birthday party. So, timing na timing dito sa bahay namin, dito sa Pilipinas. And gusto kong ipatry kay Anna yung birthday party dito sa Pilipinas. Makasama yung family, yung cousins niya. Kasi dun sa Netherlands, kami lang naman yung kasama niya. Lolo't lola, mga auntie-uncle. Ni Ruth, tsaka auntie-uncle ni Anna. So, yun. Super excited po kami mag-asawa. And also, Anna seems to be really excited now kasi nakita niya na yung yung pa-decoration nila. Yung theme is Frozen. Pero hindi po ako ng motif ng kung ano isusuot ng guests. Wala lang para hindi na masyadong mag-isip yung family kung ano isusuot nila. But yeah, balikan ko na po kay mamaya kasi i-ready ko si Anna tapos magsi-set up sila dito. Pakita ko na lang sa inyo if tapos na. And also, mag-vlog po tayo dun sa birthday party ni Anna doon sa Jollibee mamaya. May batang excited masyado. Kuha na ba? Ready na ba? Let's go. Mommy! Hi! Kapriti sa amo pa lang daw eh. Now we're going, where are we going now? Whose party?
Is je wel wat in?
Yeah, come on. Shortcut.
Should we do that too?
Yes. Oh, big now. So you don't have to turn back. Kanta man eh. Ako siya gining ko, ayaw ka ula o kanta o sayaw kay may mata mo sayaw.
Auntie.
Na si Mami o si Auntie nasa likod, the others. Yung iba nasa mukha, hindi sumakay dito. Where are we going, love?
Daar gaan we heen, Anna.
Whose party? What kind of party? Yeah, Jollibee. Pretty sa palonggo ni mo.
Si Nanay Lani ni mo kay
nindot eh. We can just park here, I think.
Ja.
Just park here. Yeah, we're here.
A few moments later.
Hi!
Nalayan natin.
Ano ni bless diri siya? Bless mga bless auntie bless. Bless.
Oh.
Ano kami ya uli. Ano ko ilolay sa inyo?
Wait, where is baby Anna?
Anna, go there. Come on. Hi.
I'm your Daddy Rose. Wow. You're so cute, baby girl. Anyway, before we proceed, we would like to introduce ourselves. My name is Ate Rose, and together with me, Ate Joy. Say hi, Ate Joy. And we are from Jollibee Road. Baby, how old are you? 5. Where are you from?
Where you from lang?
Where are you from?
Na Netherlands. Anna. Na Netherlands. Netherlands. Put on your dress. Put on your dress. Na Netherlands. Sa Netherlands.
So you are from Netherlands. See here? Where's Daddy?
Anna. Anna. Put down your dress, love. Put down your dress. Yeah.
Okay, so... Daddy, come here, Daddy. I gotta make up.
Ala, nakadawat naman eh, oh. Smiling.
Alright, smile.
Yes, yes.
Binaisip para kang baby Ana, Pita, ang saya.
Woo! Yes, yes, yes. Happy birthday, Anna. Yay! High five kay Van, kuya ninyo. High five. High five. Wow!
Saya, my best friend, your best friend, and everybody's best friend, the one and only Jolly! Okay, Jollibee, isang wave naman siya, Jollibee. Say hi po, baby, ano, Jollibee? Wow! So, ano na sa tabangan namin? Okay. Because Jollibee prepared a very special birthday wishes for baby Anna. Alright, for the first wish, that's to grow up to be strong and smart like Jollibee. Yay! Alright, for the second wish, let's grow up to be 30 like Mommy. Alright, for the last and final wish, let's grow up to have a strong faith like everyone else. Yay! At hindi lang yan, because Jollibee prepared another gift for baby Anna. Everyone, let's count down in 3, 2, 1. Show your gift, Jollibee. Wow! And everybody say open, 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 open. Wow! Jollibee! At hindi lang yan. Napalaing dance performance si Jollibee sa Atawang Tanan. Can everybody say yes, yes, yes?
Say me, yes, yes, yes!
Tapos, kinigano ng mga kids natin. Jollibee, are you ready to dance? Wow! Alright, music. Go Jollibee, can everybody say Jollibee? Jollibee! Jollibee! Birthday to you, jolly birthday to you, jolly birthday, jolly birthday, jolly birthday to you. Happy birthday. And then, jolly birthday to you, jolly birthday to you. Jolly birthday, jolly birthday, jolly birthday to you. you. Jolly birthday to you. Come on, JB. Jolly birthday to you. Jolly birthday to you. Jolly birthday to you. Jolly birthday to you. Jolly birthday, jolly birthday, jolly birthday to you. Alright, faster! Jolly birthday to you. Jolly birthday to you. Jolly birthday to you. Jolly birthday to you. Jolly birthday, tingnan kay Shante ay. Alright, let's all say happy birthday, baby Lana in 3, 2, 1. Happy birthday, baby Lana. Here, Kano Mimi. Yay! Happy birthday. Okay, so everyone, I'm gonna take a picture with me together.
One eternity later.
Hala, oy! Hala! Hala ka nice! Good ana lang! Hala, oy! Naigi, kuha na, excite na. Pasagdai lang siya, day ha? O sige, open, dali! Open mga ka! Nagbibog na yung taon po, day. Hala. Uy, ang lechon. Okay na eh. Uy, kalami. Okay, right?
Birthday to you. Oh, Ana de. Happy birthday, Ana. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Ana. Yay! Taas po happy birthday. Happy birthday, Yaigna. Kandil. Yay!
Down!
Yay!
Tulog na yung aming Disney princess, oh. Pagod na pagod sa birthday party niya. Super happy po kami sa, sa party. Dodong, how was your experience with
It was
the
good.
Filipino party?
No, it was
Jolly
nice.
Big
It
party.
was really a nice party.
Yeah.
I was happy that Anna liked it and that all people showed up. And it was really fun to see. Anna was really.
She was so
in the
happy.
beginning, she was not happy. In the beginning,
Yeah,
she was
too
really
shy.
Shy, and they
because she
asked her
doesn't-
attention. Like
That's right.
after that, especially when it was food and the Jollibee came, she really had fun. She was really laughing a lot.
Yeah, pagod na ito.
And the party here was good too.
Yeah, I'm glad I did the Jollibee party first before, the family came. And like also another, like after party for the adults or yung family para at least maka-join yung lahat. Gusto ko lang talagang maka-experience si Anna. I really wanted Anna to experience and also the rest of the family. Yung cousins niya, yung Jollibee party ba? So nice.
Yeah, it was really nice. A lot of food, so that's always good for
It's
Filipinos.
so nice. I'm really happy. And ang daming natanggap na gifts ni Anna. But I will just show the gifts na lang po next time, no? Because Ruth will put Anna to bed na. And then I will also clean. Magmamap ako ng floor kasi ano po siya, medyo sticky yung floor namin. And basta, super happy kami.
in the fridge.
Yeah. Super happy kami sa araw na ito. And
Especially
Anna,
that the Japanese friend came.
yeah. Alam niyo ba yung Japanese friend ko, nagdala siya ng super daming snacks para sa mga bata and pinak na niya ba, parang iba-iba yung nilagay niya sa loob and sila yung nag-pack. Over 30 pieces kasi 30 pieces yung mga bata, yung ng limit ng mga bata. Pero I think may mga 40 pieces siguro or more. Talagang nagdala siya ng isang malaking plastic bag doon, ang dami. Hindi ko na-expect yun. Super, super grateful ako. And yung presence niya mismo, super happy na po ako. Nakakatuwa. But yeah, super nice po yung naging party niya na successful naman. And happy din ako na nakapunta dito sa bahay namin, yung family ko. And also yung mga pinsan ko, yung uncle tsaka auntie, mga tsuhin ko, and also yung mga tsahin ko din. Super happy. And sa mga pumunta sa party, if napapanood nyo to, sensya kaya ng Tagalog ko, no? Yung ko din pala, yung one of my closest friends in high school, si Myrene, and also one of my best friends in university, si Ana Riza. Yung iba, syempre wala, hindi po kami kompleto, pero happy pa din ako kasi pumunta sila. Super thank you and sa mga kapitbahay namin doon sa Tabugon na pumunta, yung asawa ni Romar, yung pinsan ko, yung akchuchuhin ko, na pumunta din. Super thank you. Sa lahat ng pumunta, thank you. Yung mga kapitbahay namin dito pumunta, thank you so much. Happy po kami, sobra. Yun na, ati, end na po natin yung ating pa-video. Maraming salamat sa panonood. Kita-kita naman tayo sa susunod na video. Duy! Mush, babush!
Mush, babush.
Ayan, tulog na tulog.